Hi students, I welcome you all to online IP classes. Today, in this tutorial we will discuss about frequency polygons and box plots. We will see what is frequency polygon and what are the various steps for creating a frequency polygon and what's a box plot and how to implement box plot practically. Frequency polygons. A frequency polygon is a frequency distribution graph. In a frequency polygon, the number of observations is marked with a single point at the midpoint of an interval. A straight line then connects each set of points. Pi plot does not provide any function for a frequency polygon. And in order to create a frequency polygon from pi plot, for this you have to follow the following steps. First, plot a histogram from the data. Mark a single point at the midpoint of an interval or a bin. Draw straight lines to connect the adjacent points. Connect first data point to the midpoint of previous interval on x-axis. Connect last data point to the midpoint of following interval on x-axis, and you will have the frequency polygon on your histogram. As such, Python pyplotlib library doesn't have any function for creating a frequency polygon, and we have to follow a manual steps for creating it. Second is box plot. Creation of a box plot. Box plot has become the technique for presenting the 5-number summary, which consists of minimum range value, maximum range value, upper quartile, lower quartiles, median. A box plot is used to show the range and middle half of ranked data. Ranked data is numerical data such as numbers, etc. Now we will see what is the method for creating a box plot in pandas. The syntax for creating a box plot is matplotlib.pyplot.boxplot, and the arguments are x comma notch is equal to none, vertex is equal to none, mean align equal to none, show mean is equal to none, show box equal to none. Except x, all other parameters are optional. While x represents the data, that's an array or the sequence of the data. Notch, if the value of notch is true, it will produce a notch box plot. Vertex, if the value of vertex parameter is true, it makes a plot vertical. Mean line, if its value is true, it will try to render the mean as a line. Show box, if its value is true, it shows a central box. And show mean, if its value is true, it shows the arithmetic mean. Now we will implement box plot practically, and we will see the value of all the parameters. Let us now implement this practically, box plots. First we have to import matplotlib at pyplotlib as pl. Then we will take a data as any data you want, like this, and then we have pl dot box plot method of pyplot, which is used for creating a box plot, and the parameter is optional parameter. First parameter we will see the basic without any augment function or a parameter of box plot, and let's see the effect of it. And then pl dot show method is used to actually display the graph. Yes, this is our graph, this is our pi plot, this is our box plot rather. Now we will use arguments like vertex, no, showcase, mean. The second argument we will use is NOTCH, note equals TRUE. By default it is false, but if we set it as true, then let us see the effect of it. We will have a notched box plot. Let us use the another parameter of it. Let us use another parameter, that is show means. Mean is equals true. Let us see the effect of it. The effect of it. We will run a program again. Yes, this is the output. Show mean is equal to true. Here there is a mean at the center. Then we will apply another parameter. We will set vertical is equal to true. By default it is, but vertical equal to false, means it will write horizontally. Yes, these are the parameters of box plot method. Hope you have understood this concept. Now try to implement all the box plot practically on your laptops and try all the parameters of it. Thank you.